everyone, I'm going to walk you through TryHackMe, an amazing platform that's perfect for everyone looking to learn cybersecurity. Just let's dive in and see what's all about. So TryHackMe is it's an awesome hands-on learning platform. You can just pick up security skills by actually doing them. You'll find guided learning paths, cool challenges like capture the flag, and also interactive labs. It's like leveling up in a video game but for your career. So when you log in, you will land on your dashboard. This is like your control center where you can see your progress, jump into learning paths, and also check out rooms. And my favorite part, track your streaks. Don't worry, I will explain streaks in a bit. Now, one of the coolest things about TryHackMe is the learning path. These are step-by-step guides designed for specific goals. Whether you want to become a pen tester or maybe a SOC analyst or maybe just get started in cybersecurity, these paths have got you covered. It's all laid out for you. You just follow along. Now, next up, let's talk about rooms. These are like themed mini courses, like where you can dive into specific topics. For example, there is a Linux fundamentals room if you want to get good at Linux, or maybe OSINT room for investigative skills. Each room comes with tasks and hints to help you along. It's super fun and hands-on. If you are into puzzles or solving mysteries, you will love CTFs, or capture the flags. These challenges let you find hidden flags by exploiting vulnerabilities. It's a great way to test what you have learned and see how far you can go. Now let's talk about motivation. TryHackMe has the streak feature that tracks how often you practice. Keeping a streak going is super rewarding, and it's a great way to stay consistent. Plus, there is a leaderboard so you can see how you stack up against others. Just who doesn't love a little friendly competition, right? And did I mention certifications? By completing certain learning paths or challenges, you can just earn certificates that you can show off on your LinkedIn or maybe resume. One of the best things about TryHackMe is the community. If you ever get stuck or just want to share your progress, you can jump into their forums or maybe Discord. It's full of people just like you who are learning and growing. Honestly, the support is next level. And that's it. TryHackMe is packed with everything you need to kickstart. This platform has something for everyone. And here is the best part. Our channel will be your study buddy. We will break down the learning paths, guide you through the CTFs, and also help you every step of the way. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and let's level up together. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.